Hi class, I'm Zoe. I'm very glad for having you today. Uh, in this particular lesson, I'm going to show you how to find um, the area of this triangle inscribed inside a rectangle as a function, and what is and find the minimum just value of this one. How can we do that? As you see, we have a rectangle and width is 12 and the length is 16, and entire area is actually 16 times 12, yes? And for finding this one, this triangle inside, I call this one A of x. We need to find the area of this small triangle, this one and this one, yes? Everything is based on x. Okay, we can find the sum of this one and subtract this of the entire area, yes? We find this one. And this is the function of this triangle. We are going to find this. And the next question is, what is the minimum value of this? We want to know what is the x when the a of x gets a minimum size. Okay, this is minimum maximum, and this is related to taking derivative. Yes? Okay, step by step I'm going to show you. But before everything, just please subscribe to channel and share this one with your friends, because this is very important and very big help, and I'm gonna appreciate that. Thank you. Okay, let's do this. Finding, if we call the area of this triangle S1, S2, for example, this is S3, and the entire just rectangle S, big S, yes? So we can say that this is the area, yes? The big area, yes, minus the adding of this one, sum of S1 plus S2 plus S3. When S minus the sum of this one gets what? Gets A of x, or the area of this missing, okay? But everything is based of x. I show you. Okay, if about this one is 2x, and this is a right triangle, this is 2x, this is 12. We know that when we have right triangle, these are as height. Okay, we say this times this divided by 2. Yes? Okay. The entire is 12 times 16. Yes, this is the big one. Entire rectangle. Okay, we can say rectangle. This one minus the sum of S1, S2, S3, but I prefer to find each one separately and then replace it. Good? Okay, what is S1? S1 is the and just the area of this one. This one, as I told you, this is 1/2 of 12 times 2x. Yes? This is 1/2 of 24 x. Right? We can simplify and it gets 12x. Right? 12 times 2x, 24x, and this is 12x. 12x is S1. How about S2? Triangle S2 is one is x and the other one is what? Everything is 16. This is 2x. So from here to here is 16 minus 2x. And this one is x. And we know that this is rectangle, this is right triangle. So this times this divide by 2. 1/2 of x times 16 minus 2x. Actually this one, right? 1/2 x times this 16x minus 2 times 2x times this, 2x squared. Yes? Simplify this one, everything by 2. This is 8x minus x squared. S2 is this one, right? Okay. How about S3? S3 is this one. This is 16. And how about this? This is x. This is 12 minus x, right? Okay. In the same way. 16 times 12 minus x divided by 2. 16 times 12 minus x. Okay, we can find it. Just simplify here is 8. 8 times 12 minus x is just 8 times 2, 16, 96 minus 8x, right? We have this one, this one, this one. S1, S2, S3. Yes? How about S? Big S is 16 times 12. Big S is 16 times 12 gets 192, right? Everything is, if this is centimeter, we can say centimeter square and something, but this is unit square, anything. 192, and this one, sum of this one, okay. What is the sum of this? S1 plus S2 plus S3 gets what? 12x plus 8x minus x squared and plus 96 minus 8x, right? But just simplify here. Simplify 8x and negative 8x and 12x x squared plus 96. Yes? Okay, this one. Okay, we have negative x squared plus 12x plus 96, right? This is the sum of these three. Okay, a of x is what? Sorry, we need this. A of x, this is the big one, S big one is 192 minus of this one. This is the sum of these three. This one is 192. The sum of everything is here. Okay, the sum of everything is negative x squared plus 12x plus 96. Yes? Okay, now 192 minus this gets plus x squared minus 12x minus 96. So far so good, yes? The function of x of this triangle is 192 minus 96 gets 96 plus x squared minus 12x. So we can order this one, a of x, from highest degree to lowest degree. This is a function of this triangle. We can find the numerical of the area because everything based on x. Okay, this is not just geometry, this is pre-calculus. Okay, good. The question was find the ax. Okay, we found this. And its minimum value. As you see, this is quadratic equation. Quadratic equation has the highest degree of 2 and can be this form or this form. Parabola. Okay, this is parabolic because x squared is this or this. But the coefficient is 1. 1 is positive. It must be this. Upward. Okay? At this, when is the upward, we have just a minimum point. not maximum point. Okay? Here we have a minimum point. Algebraic, you can say minimum point is at the vertex, negative b over 2a something. But here is free algebra. We know that for getting the minimum and maximum point, we find the derivative of this one. Yes? Derivative of this a of x is we call a prime of x. We know that a prime of x is 2x minus 12, and this gets 0. Why? Because we know that if f of x equal to ax to the b, f prime of x get this times the power or exponent, and exponent just drop 1 degree. You know that. Okay. So 2 times this, 2 times x, 2 minus 1 is 1. Negative 12 times x, x is 1, minus 1 gets 0. Okay, x to the 0 is 1. This is a derivative of this one. When derivative gets 0, we have maximum minimum point. But in this case, this is just a line. Line has just one answer. Okay, if this is 0, this is 0, we can say 2 times x minus, just factor out 2 equals to 0. 2 is not 0 by just product, 0 product. 2 is not 0, so this must be 0. So if a prime of x is 0, so x minus 6 gets 0, x gets 6. When x here gets 6, this is the minimum size. Okay? At x is 6 is minimum size. How much is the minimum size of this one? How much? If a of x is x squared minus 12x plus 96, yes? When we get the x equal to 6, the ax gets the minimum size. Because at x is 6, the a prime is 0. Okay, this is minimum. Find this. A of 6, 36 minus 12 times 6. Right? Hope you following me. A of 6, because this is area of the minimum the value. 36 minus 6 times 2 is 12, 72 plus 96. How much is going to be? 96 and 36 is 12. 132 minus 72. How much is going to be? 60? Right? So the 60 unit, just unit centimeter, for example. If this is centimeter, this is centimeter, this is 60 centimeters squared. When A is 6, when X is 6, X is 6 gets 12. When x is 6, 60 minus 12 gets 6. And this one, we have the minimum area for this one. But rectangle gets like this. 16, 12. This one is 2 times 6, 12, for example. 12, that's this one. Gets 12. And when 12, this is 4. This one is x is 6. This is roughly, you know. This is 6. This is 10. 6 here. Okay, something like this one. It must be this is 4. It's not bigger than this one. But when x is 6 here, find this. we have just the minimum area for A. It gets 12. It gets, this is 12, this is 4. When it's 6, this is 6. Okay, when this is 6, this is 6, this is 4, this is 12. This one is the minimum, okay? Like this. This is 12 and 4. 12 and 4. This is 3 times this one, okay? This one is here, and 6, half of this one, and okay. This is 12, this is 12, this is 4, this is 6, this is 6. In this case, we have the smallest one of this one, the minimum value. Minimum value of what? Of area here. Good? This is the application of actually the derivative. We get derivative. When derivative gets 0, we have minimum and maximum point. But in this case, we have a second degree, drop 1 degree, gets a line. Line is 0, we have just one answer. One answer is the minimum point because this is parabola upward because of this. This one, this is positive. Okay, good. Hope you like this one, and share this video if you find this kind of video helpful and interesting with your friends. Thank you and have a good day, and wish you good luck. Bye-bye.